Hey, my Hyundai Sonata drivers, my Hyundai drivers out there. In this first half of the video, we're going to be replacing the cam sensor position A on the intake side of the motor, which I was getting engine code P0011 for. Later on, after replacing that, I was also getting the same code, as well as, in addition to, P0016, which had to do with the valve timing sensor. Anyways, it's a very common problem. I hope this video helps you. Alright, so we're working on a 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This is the 2.4 liter engine, and the engine code that triggered engine stalling and hesitation is P0011, and that is the cam shaft position sensor, which is located right here on the right side of the engine, looking at the car from in front. This is what the part looks like. Again, that's P0011, and what I did to remove the old camshaft position sensor is I removed the air intake to the throttle, which is right here, using a 10mm bolt or Phillips screwdriver from both ends here. And I went ahead and was able to get some leverage on the 10mm bolt that's holding in the position sensor right here. So I got the old one out. I'm just going to reinstall the new one, and that is all you need to do to replace it. Alright guys, I'm back here with this 2011 with the valve solenoid here. Valve timing solenoid, it monitors everything. After I replaced the other cam sensor over here, right there, the engine warmed up and continued to stall, and it gave me another code, which was P0016. So P0016 and P0011 are both related to this sensor and or the cam sensor. I don't understand how they have the same codes for two sensors, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace both because it's only like $130 total for two, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Make sure your new kit comes with a new screw for this side for the sensor. I had trouble getting the old one out. It's stripped, and of course, therefore, I had to drill it out. So make sure yours comes with a new one. Drilling it out is possible without damaging anything, as you can see. But yeah, make sure you have that screw with the kit. So I'm just going to reinstall the new one here, put everything back together, and give it a test drive. Okay. And of course, got my screw. Hey, my Hyundai drivers out there, if this video was helpful to you, I want to thank you for watching this video. If there's something that I can help you with in the future, hit that like button and that subscribe. Leave your comments below. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you all next time.